Newbie.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I get it from behind, though.
Jump.
I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery.
They stopped and the fight is about to break out right now.
I'm just a failed proposition, you mentioned out of context. All of my demons gather around me, I drew a circle on X. No more depression, attention, relentless with these friendships. I gotta put certain in the message, flexing is not an option. Cause I'm going to die with my sins. I'm gonna survive through my kid. I'm gonna survive through my rhymes. And over time will stop them. No more pen to pad, just phone in hand, I see all them rapping.
Yo, what is up, guys? We are at the BIC, just outside in the parking lot. This is the place called the Hot Box, where all the cars are gonna get...
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh shit. So before I walked into this pole, this is basically the hot box. This is where all the action's gonna happen, and we're gonna see some destruction tonight, boys.
Fakest thing that I've seen, just like they Instagram captions. My idiom wordplay is drastic, but none of my eggs in one basket. This method to my madness, plus a contraband, and I can't replay this play or pass it. Got my targets on the wall, I need a few pins to tag it. It seems that they falling off, sorry not sorry for loss. Everything in this world has cost, clap like spiders and spouts. Boy, your time running out, I'm a rain to the day we see drought. Set fire to you and your route, I'm blind even though I see clear. Show feel when I'm in the ground, 6 deep.
So everyone knows that the cameras are in this spot here, so they try to get as close as they can to the barriers, meaning they can sometimes push the barriers 2 feet inwards, so gotta be careful.
To the sea, I love that lullaby illusionist. Keep me far from humble, every single lie influences my thoughts and motives. Locomotive, no controlling who it is. No emotion in this ocean, sirens singing to this. It's my boundaries broken, all is frozen. The focus, it's fine when I rhyme in the open. Triple doubles with only a token.
These old school Corollas and Nissans, it just goes to show how strong they're built. Literally, like, I mean, they're really raping these cars.
I never see sunny days. Every chance I get, I'ma make it rain. Yo, top 3 lit, well, that's a shame. When E5 hit, can't torch the flame. Get it? Scenes on tracks, need a full bar pressing. Who the body can't hold this mess. 45, every line.
Ridiculous. Okay, Emiratis are coming out with a full bar force. Would you ride shotgun with me on one of these? No. Shit, this is nuts, dude. This guy's a crazy Casper. We should do this, man. We should like build a Land Cruiser or something.
Yeah, we should do this. Absolutely, yes.
Yeah, I'll drive.
Yeah, no. This guy sitting in the passenger seat just chilling, WhatsApping his homies, being like, hey, what are you up to? Nothing, I'm in a car with a lunatic taking me around the course. It's all good.
It's all good, then we're just going right back home. No, I'm a bit dark, but I feel like I'm getting darker now because of all this tire smoke coming into my face. I feel like my face is becoming a tire itself.
My nostrils are like BF Goodrich right now inside. Yeah.
Yeah, you good, bro?
I'm gonna get a black mustache for once, please.
They stopped and the fight is about to break out right now. That was intense, bro.
That was for a moment now.
We need tires. That's like tired. Yeah, I'm not doing too well, and my wife just got me this shirt. She's not gonna be happy. This guy's kind of legendary. Check him out. Skyline in the house, man. So leave the parking space before the chaos starts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We didn't get to see anyone crash into the barrier, but that's what next time is for. Take care, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Hit that subscribe button.